Good morning, class. Standard 8 PT basketball terms continuations. Last week we have seen up to dunk shot. Now continue with the E abbreviations ABCD likewise. End line. The boundary lines at either end of the court called end lines. Fake. To indicate going in one direction while actually not doing so. It is also termed feint. F-E-I-N-T. Feint. Next, fake and drive. To indicate false intention to shoot over the head of the opponent, whereas when the latter jumps to block the shot, he goes under and around the opponent. In this way, he gets more time and room for his shot. Faking. Feinting with the body or the ball to wrong foot an opposing player. Next, fall away. A pass or shot made in one direction while the player moves in another direction. Next heading, fast break. This is important. Always come to your question in your exams. Quick counter attack out of defense for scoring when more offensive than defensive players are in positions. Next, FIBA is a short form of International Federation of India. Basketball Amateur. It is the Federation International Basketball Amateur. Since 1932, it is the controlling body of amateur basketball. Next, field goal. Any scoring shot other than a free throw called field goal. Fight through. To stay with the player being guarded in spite of his use of a pick or screen by forcing one's way through between the player and his picker screener. Next, flush cut. Flesh. Flush cut. For a possible pass in an easy score, a sudden cut is made into the lane. This is termed as flash cut. If the ball is not passed, the player jumps back out on the side from which entry was made. Next heading, floating. Sideways movement towards the center of the court of a defender employing to a man-to-man defense on a weak side of the court. Next heading, floor play. FLWR, floor play. Combined offensive and defensive performance of a team or player. Next heading, forward. A player's positions also the player in that position is called forward. Next, foul. This also important questions, terms. A violation of rules involving contact with another player or some unsportsmanlike conduct. Next heading, foul line. The line from which a foul throw is attempted. Next, foul out. Leaving of the game after being charged with 5 fouls. The player is replaced by a substitute. Next, freelance play. Individual choices as opposed to set play. Free throw. This is important. A fouled shot from the fouled line with no endurance by the defensive team. This penalty shot is worth 1 point each. Next, free throw lane. The area between the lines running from the ends of the free throw line to the baseline. Baseline means end line. Freeze. Holding the ball without making an attempt to score. That is called freeze. Next heading, front court. The area between the offensive team's division line and the basket, or the half of the court which a team is attacking. Next heading, front, fronting. Guarding a player by taking a position between him and the ball. Next, full court press. A pressure employed by the defense or all over the field to take possession of the ball. So this is your basketball terms. So I'll give the heading this. You have to write the answer for next week. So take care, stay at home. Good morning, class.